Hello everyone, I am Jaydeep Pisha, working as Assistant Professor in KKWI-EE&R Nasik. Today I am going to explain classification of technology. Learning objectives. After this session, students will be able to understand what is technology and classification of technology. We apply technology in almost everything we do in our daily lives. We use technology at work, we use technology for communication, transportation, learning, manufacturing, securing data, scaling business, and so much more. Technology is human knowledge which involves tools, materials, and systems. There is nothing more dynamic than modern technology. It has been enhancing our way of living and enabling process in various sectors continuously, and is predicted to have profound impacts on all businesses in the coming years. The applications of technology typically results in products. If technology is well applied, it benefits human, but the opposite is true if used for malicious reasons. Did you know that in 2012, 10% of cars were connected to the internet, and it's estimated that by 2022 about 90% of cars will be internet connected. Definition of technology. Oxford Dictionary defines the word technology as the application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose, especially in industry. As per Collins Dictionary, the word technology refers to methods, systems, and devices which are the results of scientific knowledge being used for practical purposes. Let's discuss classification of technologies. Manufacturing technology, agriculture technology, biotechnology, construction technology, transportation technology, energy and power technology, medical technology, ICT, information and communication technology, computing technology, and last one is very important, disruptive technology. There are many types of technologies, but I am going to cover these 10 technologies in my session. Manufacturing technology. Manufacturing technology provides the tools that enable production of all manufactured goods. These master tools of industry magnify the effort of individual workers and give an industrial nation the power to turn raw material into affordable, quality goods essential to today's society. The field of manufacturing technology is very vast and includes various types of machine tools required to manufacture finished products which range from simple handheld tools, lathe machines, grinders, mining machines, to highly versatile and complicated CNC machines. Second one is agriculture technology. Modern farms and agricultural operations work far differently than those a few decades ago, primarily because of advancement in technology including sensors, devices, machines, and information technology. Today's agriculture routine uses sophisticated technologies such as robots, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images, and GPS technology. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a broad discipline in which biological processes, organisms, cells, or cellular components are exploited to develop new technologies. New tools and products developed by biotechnologies are useful in research, agriculture, industrial, and clinic. Construction technology. Construction is one of the branches of civil engineering that is concerned directly with common people, as everyone wants to have beautiful dwellings. The Construction Industry Institute defines construction technology as the collection of innovative tools, machinery, modifications, software, etc. used during the construction phase of a project that enables advancement in field construction methods, including semi-automated and automated construction equipments. Transportation technology. Innovations in transportation technology are essentially born out of three necessities: efficiency, ease, and safety. New technologies are helping to get us from point A to point B more efficiently than ever before. Innovative transportation tech, such as autonomous vehicles and e-bikes, is helping us get to wherever we want to go, no matter if it's just down the block, across the country, or a few hundred miles into outer space. Energy and power technology. Energy technology is an interdisciplinary engineering science having to do with the efficient, safe, environment-friendly, and economically extraction, conversion, transportation, storage, and use of energy targeted towards yielding high efficiency whilst skirting side effects of humans, nature, and the environment. Energy technology provides a forum for researchers and engineers from all relevant disciplines concerned with the generation, conversion, storage, and distribution of energy. Medical technology. Medical technology is a broad field where innovation plays a crucial role in sustaining health. Advancement in medical technology have allowed physicians to get better diagnosis and treat their patients since the beginning of the professional practice of medicine. Thanks to the continuous development of technology in the medical fields, countless lives have been saved and overall quality of life continues to improve over time. Medical technologies are products, services, or solutions used to save and improve people's lives. Medical technology has evolved from introducing doctors to new equipments to use inside private practices and hospitals to connecting patients and doctors thousands of miles away through telecommunications. Information and communication technology. Information and communication technology can simply be defined as its simplest form as an electronic medium for creating, storing, manipulating, receiving, and sending information from one place to another. Information and communication technology refers to all the technologies used to handle telecommunications, broadcast media, intelligent building management systems, audiovisual processing, and transmission systems, and network-based control and monitoring functions. In last 2 decades, this technology changed our lives. Computing technology. Computing is any activity that uses computers to manage, process, and communicate information. It includes development of both hardware and software. Computing is a critical integral component of modern industrial technology. Computing technology is ubiquitous in the form of computers, tablets, smartphones, the web, cloud computing, email, text messages, social media, and much more. Let's discuss about disruptive technology. Disruptive technology or innovation is all about change, novelty, difference. Disruptive innovation creates new products and new markets and demonstrates a new value for something consumers didn't know they needed, wanted, or were missing. Disruptive technologies refers to a technology whose application affects the way a market or industry functions. In some cases, the business models that adapt to new technologies generate new markets and values. This leads to the disruption of well-established companies. A disruptive technology is one that displaces an established technology and shakes up the industry, or a groundbreaking product that creates a completely new industry. Take example: digital twin, blockchain, industry 4.0, commercial drones and UAVs, prescriptive analytics, as a service model, voice-based virtual assistant. These are my references. For additional resources, please check these links. Our future success is directly proportional to our ability to understand, adopt, and integrate the new technology into our work. Thank you for your attention.